What is the biggest hassle after installing new Windows? Installing necessary softwares? What if I told you there's a way to download all your essential programs with just one click? Welcome to ninite.com, the ultimate game changer for downloading software effortlessly. Whether you need browsers, media players, or security tools, Ninite is here for you. Just select the programs you want and let Ninite do the heavy lifting. No more clicking through multiple websites or dealing with annoying installers. With Ninite, you will get all your favorite apps and they install automatically. No extra toolbars or junkware. Imagine grabbing everything you need in seconds while you kick back and sip your coffee. Sounds good, right? Plus, Ninite keeps your apps updated. When you run it again, it will update everything with just one click. It's like having your own personal software assistant. Ready to simplify your software downloading? Head to ninite.com and transform your setup today. One click is all it takes.